The Mini BeadBeater 96 is the highest capacity bead beater offered by BioSpec Products. The high-throughput Mini BeadBeater 96 features an adaptive sample holder that accommodates multiple sample configurations. These include a 45-place 2 ml microvial rack, a single 96-well 2 ml deep well microplate, or two 96-well 1 ml deep well microplates, all without the need for an adapter. To operate, raise the hood, loosen the white wing nuts and the black knobs. Slide the front plate forward and remove the microvial rack. When processing a small number of samples in the microvial rack, insert a minimum of 4 microvials into the 4 corners of the rack. Empty microvials can be used if needed and distribute additional tubes symmetrically. Once all your samples are in place, position the microvial rack between the front and back plates and tighten the knobs and wing nuts. Lower the hood and you're ready to key in your run settings on the keypad. Enter the edit mode by simultaneously pressing the up and down arrow buttons. Use the left or right arrows to select the digit you want to edit. Then adjust the time values in each position by pressing the up or down buttons. Next, press the Start/Stop button to edit the RPM speed. Choose from speeds between 1400 and 2400 RPM. When your desired speed is on the screen, press the Start/Stop button again to lock in your settings. The Mini BeadBeater 96 features 3 memory presets to store your time and speed settings. To save a setting, press and hold one of the A, B, or C buttons until it beeps, indicating the setting has been saved. When you are ready, simply press the Start/Stop button to begin. Due to the unique shaking pattern of the Mini BeadBeater 96, no reorientation of plates in mid-cycle is required. Once the run is complete, raise the hood and loosen the wing nuts and knobs. Remove the microvial rack and retrieve your homogenized samples.